Hello, good evening everyone. Welcome back to Learn Reality Consult. Today I'm going to teach you how to convert a table of latitude and longitude values into a shapefile using arcmap. Let's get started. This is an Excel sheet of points, longitude and latitudes. We have object ID, shape. I don't really need shape here. Let me take it away. Type, religious, and all those. So let's save this in our folder that we are working on. Let's go to the folder. Exercises. We have data conversion. So first of all, let's start with the Excel workbook with the extension of XLSX. Save it. That is it. And then you save the same work using CSV. So we can use CSV comma delimited, CSV masters. So let's use CSV comma delimited. Close button. So now let's move to our arcmap. This is our arcmap interface. So I'm going to teach you two methods of bringing in latitude and longitude of particular points using the add data button and also using add data, add xy data. So first of all, we have to do folder connection. You can right click on this and then you can connect. I've already connected the folder, so connect it by letting me refresh it. Having to refresh it, now we move to our real work, that's add data. Click on add data, navigate to the area. Our folder is datacon, double click on it, and then let's use the one with the CSV add. That has already been added, but it didn't show up, so but we have to display this. Right click on it, go to data, go to display xy data. X is long, X is longitude, and Y is what? Latitude. We don't have Z, so you leave it. Click OK. Click OK. Yes. The point has been placed up in the attribute table. That's it. Our points has been added. Have been added. So let's go to the other method. Go to file, go to add data, add XY data. has also appeared. And check attributable, and these are them. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Kindly subscribe to Realty Consult for more videos of this sort. Thank you very much.